Yeah, dear student, today we continue with our chapter 4 business services. And in the previous classes, I taught you about different type of life insurances. And today we are going to study the basic difference between the life insurance, fire insurance, and marine insurance. See the table. First, subject matter. In life insurance, the subject matter of the insurance is human life. In fire insurance, the subject matter is any physical property or assets. Fire insurance is generally taken against the tangible assets. Clear? Because intangible assets are not going to catch the fire. In marine insurance, the subject matter is a ship, cargo, or freight. Marine insurance is generally taken for voyage by sea. Third element, life insurance has the element of protection and investment or both, because nowadays insurance is more than assurance and it is connected with the share market, and the insurance policies are converted as an investment also. Fire insurance has only the element of protection or indemnity and not the element of investment. Marine insurance has only the element of protection. I hope this is clear to you. Now, insurable interest, it must be present at the time of effecting the policy, but need not be necessarily at the time when the claims fall due. In fire insurance, insurable interest on the subject matter must be present both at the time of effecting the policy as well as when the claims fall due. Clear? Insurable interest in case of marine insurance must be present at the time when the claims fall due or at the time of loss only. Clear? Insurable interest means what do you want to interest in that thing, what you want to protect, that is called insurable interest. Clear? Now, why it is said in life insurance that it is insurance claim need not necessarily be present at the time when the claims fall due, because sometime in insurance policy what is happening, a claim is promised against the either on death or after attaining a certain age. So at the time of taking the policy, you should have insurable interest, but not necessarily at the time when it falls due. Clear? Third, duration. Life insurance policy usually exceeds a year and it is taken for the longer period ranging from 5 to 30 years or for whole life. And nowadays insurances are also going on for after the lifetime also, or up to the lifetime. Fire insurance policy does not exceed a year. Same is the case with the marine insurance, that is also for one or period of 1 year or period of voyage or mixed or a combination of both. Indemnity. Life insurance is not a contract of strict indemnity. The sum assured is paid either on the happening of certain event or on maturity of the policy. This means when the person dies before the maturity of the policy, the whole amount is payable to the legal heir or the remaining members of the family, or after attaining a certain age, the amount is payable. Fire insurance is a contract of indemnity. The insurer can claim only the actual amount of the loss from the insurer. The loss due to the fire is indemnified subject to the maximum limit of the policy amount, and several various other. Amartya Sen Shiksha Yojana. This policy offered by general insurance company secure the education of dependent children. If the insured parent, legal guardian sustain any bodily injury resulting solely and directly from an accident caused by the external violence and visible means, and if such injury shall within twice calendar month of its occurrence be the sole and direct cause of his or her death or permanent total disablement, the insurer shall indemnify the insured student in respect of all the covered expenses to be incurred from the date of occurrence of such accident till the expiry date of the policy or completion of the duration of covered course, whichever occurs first, and such indemnity shall not exceed the sum insured as stated in the policy schedule. Next is Rajeshwari Mahila Kalyan Bima Yojana. This policy has been designed to provide relief to the family members of the insurer women in case of their death or disablement arising due to the all kinds of accidents, and or death and or disablement arising out of the problem incidental to women only. Next is some social security schemes. First is Atal Pension Yojana. This scheme is offered to the individual in the age group of 18 to 40 years. The individual is expected to contribute in the scheme until he/she attain the age of 60 years. The scheme acts as an investment for availing old age pension. Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. This scheme offers accidental and disability covers of rupees 2 lakh at a premium of rupees 12 per year. Any individual holding a saving account can be enrolled under this scheme. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. This scheme offers saving account with no minimum balance. The RuPay ATM debit card has an inbuilt accident and life cover of rupees 1 lakh and rupees 30,000 respectively. This scheme suitable for economically weaker sections of the society and for availing the banking facility to the weaker and lower section of the society. Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. The scheme offers a protection term insurance cover rupees 2 lakh to the dependents of the policyholder in the event of his or her death at a premium rupees 330 per year. Any individual in the age group of 18 to 70 years having a saving account can opt for this scheme. So I hope these all type of insurance and social security scheme will be clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can message me. Thank you. Happy learning. Now we will study about different types of insurance. So first is health insurance. It is a safeguard against the rising medical cost. A health insurance policy is a contract between an insurer and an individual or group in which the insurer agrees to provide a specified health insurance at an agreed upon price that is called the premium. Depending upon the policy, premium may be payable either in lump sum or in installment, means half yearly, quarterly, monthly. Even you can instruct your bank to make it payment through your debit card or credit card. Health insurance usually provides either direct payment or reimbursement. Direct payment means if you go to the associate hospital, means hospital recognized by the insurance company. For example, this global hospital is recognized by insurance company and you go over there for the treatment, you are not supposed to make any payment. But if you go to the non-associate hospital, you have to make the payment and later on you can claim to the health insurance company and they will reimburse you for the expenses associated with the illness and injury. That is why you will hear one word nowadays that is called cashless treatment. The cost and range of protection provided by health insurance depends upon the provider and the policy purchase. In India, presently the health insurance exists primarily in the form of Mediclaim policy offered to an individual or to any group, association or corporate bodies. Next is motor vehicle insurance. This is related to your personal car, commercial car. As the number of two-wheeler and four-wheeler are rising in a country, motor vehicle insurance falls under the classification of general insurance. This insurance is becoming very popular and its importance increasing day by day. In motor insurance, the owner's liability to compensate the people who were killed or insured through the negligence of the motorist or driver is passed on to the insurance company. The rate of premium under motor insurance is standardized. And I am telling you, it's not a way of earning the profit. Clear? Next is burglary insurance. It falls under the classification of insurance of the property. In case of burglary insurance, the loss of damage of the household goods and property and personal effect due to theft, larceny, burglary, house breaking and acts of such nature are covered. The actual loss is compensated. The principle on which burglary insurance is based: insurable interest must exist at the time of the loss but not necessarily at the time when the policy was taken. The principle of causa maxima will apply to it. The insurance company will be liable to pay only that particular or nearest cause that is covered by the insurance policy. For example, if a loss is caused by several reasons, then the nearest cause of the loss will be considered. Next is cattle insurance. Cattle means animals, and at business it is called livestock. So a contract of cattle insurance is a contract whereby a sum of money is secured to the assured in the event of death of animals like bulls, buffaloes, cows, heifers, goat, lambs, etc. It is a contract against death resulting from accident, disease or pregnancy condition as the case may be. The insurer usually undertakes to pay the excess amount in the event of loss. Clear? Because it's a capital loss to the person who is dealing in the rearing of animals. Crop insurance. A contract of crop insurance is a contract to provide the measure of financial support to the farmers in the event of crop failure due to the drought or flood. This insurance covers against all risk of loss or damages relating to the production of rice, wheat, millets, oilseeds and pulses, etc. Next is sports insurance. This policy assures a comprehensive cover available to the amateur sportsmen, covering their sporting equipment, personal effects, legal liability and personal accident risk. If desired, the cover can also be made available in respect of the named member of insured family residing with him. This cover is not available to professional sportsmen. This cover is available in respect of any one or more of the following sports: angling, badminton, cricket, golf, lawn tennis, squash, use of sporting guns, etc. Next is Amartya Sen Shiksha Yojana. This policy offered by the general insurance company secures the education of the dependent children. If the insurance parent, legal guardian sustain any bodily injury resulting solely and directly from an accident caused by external, violent and visible means, and if such injury shall within 12 calendar months of its occurrence be the sole and direct cause of his or her death or permanent total disablement, The insurer shall indemnify the insured student in respect of all covered expenses to be incurred from date of occurrence of such accident till the expiry date of policy or completion of the duration of covered course, whichever occurs first. And such indemnity shall not exceed the sum insured as stated in the policy schedule. Next is Rajeshwari Mahila Kalyan Bima Yojana. This policy has been designed to provide relief to the family members of the insured women in case of their death or disablement arising due to all kinds of accident and or death and or disablement arising out of the problem incidental to women only. Clear? Beside this, some social security schemes are also available. That is Atal Pension Yojana. This scheme is offered to the individual in the age group of 18 to 40 years. The individual is expected to contribute in the scheme until he/she attains the age of 60. This scheme acts as an investment for availing old age pensions. Next is Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. This scheme offers accidental and disability cover of Rs 2 lakh at a premium of Rs 12 per year. Any individual holding a saving account can be enrolled under this scheme. Generally, this scheme is provided for the weaker section of society. Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana. This scheme offers a saving bank account with no minimum balance. The Rupee ATM debit card has an inbuilt accident and life cover of Rs 1 lakh and 30,000 respectively. This scheme is designed to connect every person with the bank, and it is always designed for the lower and economically weaker section of the society. Next is Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana. This scheme offers a protection term insurance cover Rs 2 lakh to the dependents of the policyholder in the event of his or her death at a premium of Rs 330 per year. Any individual in the age group of 18-70 years having a saving account can opt for this scheme. So I hope different types of health insurances and social security schemes are clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can let me know through it. Thank you. Happy learning.